In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to roll back in Snowflake efficiently. Whether you're new to Snowflake or need a refresher, understanding how to manage your transactions is key, especially when things don't go as planned. Imagine you're in the midst of making changes to a database. You've been inserting new data, updating existing records, or perhaps even deleting some entries. Suddenly, you realize that something's off. Maybe the changes aren't quite right, or maybe you just want to revert to a previous state. This is where the ability to roll back comes in. Rolling back a transaction in Snowflake essentially allows you to undo any changes made during the current transaction. It's like having an undo button for your operations on the database. Let's dive into how this works. First, you'd start off by executing commands within a transaction. A transaction is a sequence of operations that are treated as a single unit, and it either all completes successfully or none of it does, thus ensuring the consistency of your database. You might begin this with a command like begin transaction. From this point, any subsequent changes you make with commands like insert, update, or delete will be part of this transaction. Now, let's say you need to roll back. What you'll do is quite simple. You'll use the rollback command. By executing rollback, you're instructing Snowflake to revert every change that was made during this transaction. It's worth noting that if you didn't explicitly begin a transaction, the changes are considered from the start of the session. So, a rollback will undo everything you've done since the session began, assuming no explicit transaction boundaries were set. It's always a good idea to think of a rollback as a safeguard. It helps maintain the integrity of your data by letting you reverse operations that were incorrect or unintentional. One important tip to remember is to pay close attention to when you're beginning a transaction and what operations you're including in it. This awareness ensures you're rolling back the right set of changes and not more than you intended. So to recap, whenever you find yourself needing to undo changes in Snowflake, just execute the rollback command. It's your go-to solution for reverting modifications made since the last begin transaction or since your session started. Ensuring you're in the right transaction context is crucial for this operation. Having this powerful tool in your toolkit gives you greater confidence and control while working with Snowflake. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide useful and easy to follow.